Show us your hands. Hey, he's going up on the curb. Come on. Watch out, watch out. Say signal 5.
Copy, I'll first stand by for signal 5 traffic.
He's gonna hit us. Watch out. Oh, he just hit a cruiser. Come on.
Copy, in first.
I got my gun out. You good, go. He's gonna bail. Wait. Come on. Hey, we're gonna shoot. Where's the... I got it. He backed into our cruiser again. He stopped over here. He's hitting us. Hey. You okay? Yep. Straight. Get out of the fucking car! Hands, motherfucker! Hands! What the fuck's the matter with you? You move, you will get ended. I got him. Yeah, my right shoulder's kind of injured. Get the fuck out of the car! Get out of the car! Turn on your back. Turn on your side. I got legs. I got legs. I got legs. Get your fucking arm out!